Hi there and welcome to this video on how to become rich. Being rich may seem like an unattainable goal, but the truth is that it is possible for anyone with the right mindset and the willingness to put in the work. So, how can you become rich? Here are some steps to get you started. Set a clear financial goal. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to set a clear financial goal for yourself. Determine exactly how much money you want to make and set a timeline for achieving it. This will give you something to work towards and help keep you motivated. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a crucial tool for managing your money and reaching your financial goals. Determine your income and expenses, and make sure to allocate your money wisely. This will help you save more and avoid overspending. Invest in your education. Continuing to learn and improve your skills is crucial for long-term success. Invest in yourself by taking classes, attending workshops, or getting a higher education. This will help you advance in your career and increase your earning potential. Start a side hustle. A side hustle is a great way to supplement your income and bring in extra money. Consider starting a business, freelancing, or offering your services on a platform like Etsy or Fiverr. Save and invest wisely. In order to become a millionaire, you need to save and invest wisely. Make sure to set aside a portion of your income for short-term and long-term savings. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to help you make smart investment decisions. Stay focused and persistent. Becoming a rich requires hard work and dedication. Stay focused on your goals and be persistent in working towards them. Remember, it won't happen overnight, but with time and effort, you can achieve your financial dreams. So there you have it, 6 steps to becoming rich. Remember, it's not going to be easy, but with the right mindset and a willingness to work hard, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.